shouldn't be scratching my hands, kind of awkward. Hello! I don't know what to do with my hands. What should I do with my hands? Hello, beautiful people. My name is Tasia Monet, and as you can see, my room is empty. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I transform my room from this to this. So if you want to see how I made this transformation, please stick to the end of this video Before we get into the video, I just want to give you 2 disclaimers. Disclaimer 1 is that there are actually different kinds of crew cabins on cruise ships. I happen to have a different kind of crew cabin, so just be mindful that this is not the standard crew cabin that a crew member would have. I hope that makes sense. Disclaimer 2 is that I don't live by myself, so all of the items in the room do not solely belong to me. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Everything on this left side belongs to me. Up top, I have a little bit of makeup up here, but nothing crazy. I have some sunglasses and a few eyeshadow palettes, Q-tips, and then down here, I just keep all of my hair supplies. I also have this diffuser here. I have some vitamins and some essential oils for the diffuser. I have this fridge. As you can see, there's really nothing special in here because we're not allowed to have any produce, so we primarily just keep drinks in there. And then over here, there's a little bit of extra storage. In this area, as you can see, I just put this bedding down. The ship actually provides you with their own bedding, but I decided to buy my own just because I didn't necessarily like the one that they had. So I got this fuzzy blanket, and down here is where I have some of my photos. I have a little shelf. Coming up here, this is where I just keep some spare pens, highlighters, and stuff like that. I have my name tag, which has my name, Tasia, Aquacast, United States of America. Coming above that, I have some books, my laptop, a few things there. Up here we have some snacks, and then coming down here, I just have some extra storage. I ended up buying these string lights because if you haven't been able to tell already, we don't have any windows or any source of light in our room, so I like to have these extra lights just to kind of create a mood and add more lighting when I want it to be here. People always come in my room and ask why I have 2 TVs. To be honest, I have no idea why we have 2 TVs, but you know, you just gotta make it work. Come this way toward the phone, we have a call list which has everyone in my division's phone numbers. And to my left, I have my closet or wardrobe, depending on where you're from. This is where I keep my towel, just so it can easily dry. And inside, very riveting stuff, people. At the top of my closet, I just have my toiletry bag, which I used to travel and put all of my toiletries in. If you look in the very back, I just keep some items there for extra storage. I have some clothes folded up here. And then if we come to the main part of my closet, I just have a few of my clothes hung up. In the very front of my closet, these are my uniforms. I have a section here for all of my business casual clothes. I have a section for more casual clothes. This has shirts, rompers, and dresses. And then in the very back are my jackets. So I have it all organized just so it's easy to find because obviously it's really small. I have this little cubby, and in here I just have some more clothes that I fold in there. And then if we come below that, I have this first drawer for my bras and underwear. And then in my second drawer, I keep my socks and my bathing suits. Inside the closet door, this hook was actually already here when I got the room. So I just placed this right here, which is where I keep a lot of my jewelry. This is what I use to travel with it as well, because I always tend to get my jewelry very tangled somehow. In the entryway, when you come left, I have my weekly schedule, which tells me when my show times are. It tells me whenever we have drills, whenever I may have any trainings. And to the left of that, I have this right board. I just said right board, bye. I have this whiteboard where I like to write inspirational things from time to time. And I also use this as a way to communicate. Coming across from that, I have this shoe rack. There are these hooks here for storage, and I use these first two. And then next to that, there are some hats here, and there is a mirror, which was actually already here when I got the room, which is pretty nice. And then I put some hooks down here. I just have my microfiber towels and a shirt there. I like to wear that shirt whenever I'm doing my hair, just so I don't get my clothes wet. And then if we come below that, I have my trash can there, which we use for paper and plastic. And then next to that, we have this bag for cans because we have to separate our trash ourselves. Next to that, we have our life vest. And I have no idea what that stain is on the vest, and I really don't want to know. It was already there when I got to the room. In case anyone was wondering where the bathroom is, it is right in here. I didn't even bother including that in this video because it's so small that there really wasn't much to do to the bathroom.